Hi, welcome back to the VK Online Education Training course. The theme of this lesson is monitoring events. We'll use the same project file as the previous lesson. On this lesson, we'll show you how to match variables v1 or v2, no matter which variables changes first. And, it will always trigger the action as long as they have the same values. This is how we can do it. We first go back to the settings on VK6000. Here is where the monitoring conditions are set. We can set multiple conditions here. On this drop-down menu here, there are two options. One is that all conditions needs to be met. And the second is that any of the conditions is met. As the name implies, when choosing all, it needs to satisfy all the condition we specify to trigger the action. On the other hand, for the any condition option, it only needs to satisfy one of any condition we specify, to trigger the action. So, by choosing this option, we can trigger any of the condition, as long as v1 is equal to v2. We add another condition here. Select the variable. At this time, we choose v2 and set it to be equal to v1 variable. In this case, if v1 value changes or v2 value changes, it will trigger the action. Next, let's look at the actual operation. First we increase the value of the v2 and then value of v1. This action is triggered when v1 is equal to v2. Now, we try the other way. Increase the value of v1, and increase the value of v2. This action is triggered when v2 is equal to v1. So as you can see, the action will be triggered as long as the value of the variables is the same. This is all the content of this unit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.